Hi there. In this video, I will talk about the derivative of exponential function and solve some examples. So, if we have a function that is equal to ex, its derivative is ex. So, f of x equal ex, and the derivative is the same, ex. If we have a function that is equal to a bx, b power x, the derivative is the same, bx multiplied by the natural logarithm of b. In addition to that, here we can apply the chain rule with exponential functions. So f of x equal to e power of g of x, the derivative is equal to the same function, which is e power gx multiplied by the power function, which is, or the derivative of the power function, which is g prime. The same thing for the, if we have a function with b to power g of x, the derivative is bg of x, which is the same multiplied by the derivative g prime of x multiplied by the natural logarithm b. So these are the rules that cover the derivative of any exponential functions. Of course, all rules of derivative, such as product rule, quotient rules, are still valid. So let's solve some problems about exponential functions. So if we have a function that is equal to 2 power x, the derivative f prime is the same, 2 power x multiplied by ln of 2. So this is the derivative of this function. Let's solve another problem that include the chain rule. So if we have a function that is equal to 3 power x squared, so as you see here, we have a power that looks like a function x squared. So the derivative f prime is equal to the same, 3 to power x squared multiplied by the derivative of this function, which is 2x multiplied by the natural logarithm ln of 3. And this is the derivative for this function. Let's have an example about natural exponential, e to power x squared minus x plus 1. So as we know, the derivative of exponential function will be the same. So f prime of x equal the same function, e to power x squared minus x plus 1. Of course, here we need to apply the chain rule, which is the derivative of that power. So it's 2x minus 1. And this is the derivative for this function. Let's solve problem where we can apply, in addition to the exponential, the product rule. So let me just write the product rule. If we have a function f of x that is equal to two function g of x multiplied by h of x, so f prime is equal to the derivative of the first g prime of x multiplied by the second function h of x plus the first function as it is g of x multiplied by the derivative of the second function. So let's remember this rule so that we can apply the derivative for this example. So let me just rewrite that function, f of x equal x squared multiplied by ex. So we'll apply again the power rule. The derivative is equal to the derivative of the first function, which is 2x multiplied by ex, plus the second function x squared multiplied the derivative of the second function, which is also ex. So this is the derivative for this function. Let's solve one more problem applying the quotient rule. So again, the quotient rule, if we have a function that is equal to g of x over h of x, the derivative is equal to the derivative of the top, which is g prime, multiplied by the bottom minus the top, the gx, multiplied by the derivative of the bottom, which is h prime, over the square root of the bottom function. So now let's solve the problem we have. I will rewrite it, f of x equal 4 into power x cubed over x squared. So we'll apply the quotient rule. So f prime will be equal to the derivative of the top, which is 4 to power x cubed, multiplied by the derivative of the power, which is 3x squared, multiplied by ln of 4, multiply the function, the bottom function, which is x squared, minus the top function 4 power x cubed, multiplied by the derivative of the bottom function over the square of the bottom function. And this is the derivative for that function. I am Hatem Omari. Thank you for watching my video about the derivative of exponential functions. If there is something not clear in this video, feel free to watch it as much as you want. If you need me to solve any problem in math for any topic, send me a request in the comment below and I will upload the solution as a video. If you like this video, please press like. Thank you.